Hello, guys, and have you ever dreamed of turning your skills into cash? Fiverr lets you do just that. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to create a seller account on your mobile phone. So, let's get started. But first of all, I'm gonna just talk about what Fiverr is. It's a place for freelancers to get extra money by doing odd jobs or gigs as requested by other clients. So it's a bit similar to Upwork and other websites such as LinkedIn, but I think Fiverr is just more general and more than just finding jobs. It's just answering requests from other users or clients, if you say so. So what you need to do is first you should grab the Fiverr app from the App Store or Google Play. Search for Fiverr, that's Fiverr, then download it. Open the app and tap Become a Seller. You can sign up with your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. Next is you should put a profile picture and username. Pick a professional picture and a catchy username that reflects your skills, categories, and services. Fiverr has a vast range of categories. Select the one that best suits your skill or best describes your skills, like for example, writing and translation or graphic design. Then, create your gig. This is essentially your service offering or what you can do. Be clear and concise about what you'll do and for what price. Then next is the description. Write a compelling description that highlights your experience and what makes you unique. Then there's the gallery. It's like your portfolio. Here you can add high quality images or videos showcasing your work or skills. And that's it. You're now a Fiverr seller. Now get out there and promote your gigs. For more detailed information, check out the Fiverr Help Center on their website, or you can comment down below if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching and happy selling!